Hey guys, this is Jon Orana and today pag-uusapan natin how to move from financial stress like pagod, laging pera, utang to financial freedom. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Jon Orana. Magandang araw sa iyo and today pag-uusapan natin if you are in a situation na baon ka sa utang or you feel na nagtatrabaho ka, binabayaran mo naman yung utang mo, but for some reason, you just don't feel like you're moving fast enough. It's like mas mabilis dumarating yung mga gastusin kesa sa kinikita mo. Okay, let's talk about that. And how can you escape on that? Because those are one of the things that I learned when I was still an employee and I was starting a family and I would like to become a successful entrepreneur. And this is like the one mindset shift that happened to me, and that is valuing yung pera. Ibig sabihin, in Tagalog, kinakailangan talaga nating pahalagahan ang pera. Now, you may be thinking, kaya nga ako nagtatrabaho dahil sa pera. Mahalaga sa akin ang pera. What do you mean by that? What I'm trying to say is this. There is a process if you are in financial stress, right? Number one, whether you accept it or not, whether you admit it or not, if you are in this financial trouble, it is your fault. Stop pointing fingers. Stop blaming someone else. Accept the fact that you did it to yourself, to your family. So you have to be responsible. So that's the first step, because nobody can help you, my friend, if you don't think that you are the problem. Parang sabi nga nila, kahit may sakit ka, hindi ka matutulungan ng doktor if you don't go to their clinic, okay, and have you checked, if you don't accept the fact. So that is the first step. Now, what I'm talking about is you value yung pera, pinapahalagahan natin yung pera. Because if you really do not value your money, you don't make an effort to control it. So, kung may nakita ka, nag-sale, kahit hindi mo naman kailangan, bili. Because you really don't value it that much. Pinapahalaga mo, but not as much that you can control it. So, how are you going to now escape tong financial stress, going to this financial freedom where you have more quality of sleep? Where you can enjoy the moment or everything na pag kumain kayo sa restaurant without you worrying, kaya ba natin to? Or saan ako kukuha ng pambayad? So one, you value it. Because if you value your money, you will do an effort to control it. And once you have control it, because again, if you cannot control it, then you won't have extra money to invest in a business or any other form of investment. So that is a problem for many. They come to me, Sir Jon, wala po akong pera. Gusto ko magnegosyo. I would like to buy your course. I would like to attend a seminar, buy a book. Pero wala po akong pera. Then look at that. Right? Were you able to control your money? Because again, if you cannot control it, then you don't have a surplus to invest. Then unfortunately, sa pagninegosyo po, you won't be as good or as effective as an entrepreneur if you don't know how to invest. Here's the real story. Whenever people hear about my business and how much money I made and all, I always reinvest my money back to my business. Because ang employee mindset is this. Kung anong laman ng bangko ko, pera ko, I can spend all of them. Because pagdating ng katapusan o ng kinsenas, may darating na naman ng bago. That is the employee mindset. Sa business po, hindi po pwedeng ganoon. So there always have to be this surplus and extra money for kung ano man mangyari sa negosyo mo. You always have this extra. And you will always reinvest and reinvest and reinvest and reinvest until talaga po ang negosyo ay malaki na. So that way, it can really sustain our lifestyle. So yun po yung long term, and this is how you will escape tong financial stress, going to financial freedom. Again, number one is you have to value money. You have to control money. The sad thing is this, we buy stuff to impress people. That is the thing. So it's an ego thing if you think about it. But again, if we can control it, we will have a surplus to invest in businesses, in other form of investment. So that is the first thing that you need to look into if you want to escape the financial stress. Talk to your spouse, talk to your girlfriend, talk to whoever na kasama mo sa family that you guys work on their finances. It's okay if you have to scale down. Meaning, stop buying stuff that you really cannot afford. Stop going to places that you cannot afford, at least for now. Kasi nga, baon ka sa utang eh. How much is money can you save for your education? For starting a business, the good thing with online businesses is you don't need a lot of capital to get started. You can start just simply a website, but you may invest in some books or programs so that you can learn more or learn faster. But either way, you have to invest something, because if you don't have money, you must invest your time. So either way, if you have both money and time, then that will be even better. But for most of you, I know that is the challenge. But then again, you have to value money. Again, because if you cannot value money, my friend, you will always be in that financial stress. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.